The ZTE Axon M's two displays lend more real estate for viewing videos and double as a kickstand. It has a convenient quick launch key and a headphone jack, and its camera takes great daytime shots. When closed, the Axon M is an extra thick 5.2-inch phone with all its buttons on the left edge and a hinge on the right. When you want to use the extra screen, you'll have to fold the second display from behind, like opening a book with the binding toward you and the pages facing downward. Having the extra display is useful and even fun to have around. I especially like using the secondary display as a kickstand or when I needed to multitask and have two apps open. Playing games on a bigger display also make them more immersive, and runner games, like Super Mario Run, where a lot of the action is at the bottom of the screen, especially benefit from having the top-bottom design. But there were also some unwelcome things I had to get used to, too. The first thing is its weight. The Axon M is thick at 0.48 inch and heavy at 8.1 ounces, that's half a pound, and it can't exactly fit comfortably in your pocket. That's the trade-off for two displays in this design, though the dream of a foldable or rollable phone has always been one that's convenient.